The F185 Pro Dual Camera GPS Foldable Toy Drone is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. It features a sleek and stylish design available in black or blue color options. The F185 Pro drone is equipped with dual cameras, providing a resolution of 1080p for capturing clear and detailed footage. It comes with a remote control for easy operation and offers a control FPV distance of up to 1000 meters, allowing for expansive exploration. The F185 Pro drone has a battery capacity of 3.7 V 1800 mAh, providing a flying time of approximately 18 to 20 minutes. It features a foldable construction, ensuring convenient portability. The F185 Pro Dual Camera GPS Foldable Toy Drone is a reliable and feature-rich option for enthusiasts of all levels. Key features: model F185 Pro Foldable and Durable Design, 2.4 GHz technology, Auto Obstacle Avoidance Control, FPV distance 1000 m.